Punta kami sa Ocean Adventure. Mamaya kami magche-check-in. Tapos dito. Pwede naman siguro mag-late check-in.
And dolphins are very friendly animals, and right now they would like to greet all of you with a nice wave on water. And also the other way around. Look at that. Okay, so everybody, have a round of applause for our dolphin friends.
Sakay na kayo.
Mga palit.
Ito yung chinelas mo, Alex, ha? Ako chinelas na. Chinelas ko sa...
Ayun eh. Tara na. Set up na tayo. Punta ko na ako sa Cebuana. Tapos mas maaga pala. Panigla na mga alin. Ocean Adventure. Ayan. Makita ko ng Dolphin Line.
Saan? Alam, pampano.
Ito natin yung... At ayun po mga kadyano, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. At ngayong araw po is pupunta kami sa Zambales. Ayan. Sa Camayan Beach Resort. Tsaka unang pupuntahan po muna namin is yung Ocean Adventure. Ayan. At syempre mga kadyano, maraming salamat pala kay Ate Takumi. Ayan, na saktong-sakto sa napakaalinsangang panahon ngayon is makapag-swimming po kami nina Alex at kasama si Crystal. Ayan. Medyo magiging mahaba yung biyahe natin. Nasa 2 hours and 30 minutes din. Sure naman siguro wala namang gaanong traffic dahil napakamahal ng gas natin ngayon. Ayan. Dala ka sa Crystal.
Sabay ka nyo.
Layo. Unleaded. Full tank. Full tank tayo. First time. Kano kaya ito? 25 liters. Dami nun eh. Nakarating na tayo uwian yan. Para walang kaperya. Layo-layo rin kasi. Walang kaperya pa yan. Saan na ba yan? Saan punta yan? Ihilang ako sa Sukulin. Lagyan mo lang dyan. Kaya dito. Ito yung mga kadyano. Nandito na tayo sa Pinakcandaba. At ayun, after ng mga ilang minuto, ayan, nandito na pa tayo sa SM Pampanga. Ayan. Nasa San Fernando, Pampanga na po tayo. At ayun po mga kadyano, bali papasok na po tayo ng expressway sa NLEX. Ayan. Kung dito tayo sa loob, medyo matagal yung biyahe dahil public road. Maraming hintuan. Ayan. dito sa expressway sa mabilis. Yan. NLEX then SCTEX po tayo dadaan. Para dire-diretso po yung ating biyahe, walang delays. Ito yung mga kadyano, nandito na po tayo sa Zambales. Marami na po dito puno-puno. At medyo paakyat na yung mga kalsada rito. Ayan. Bukas na kaya to? Dito tayo sa Ocean Adventure. Init?
Meron na po. Okay po. Bale, dun po sa instructions ng bill po, sir, meron po tayong portal.
Mauna. Okay. 145. So, dito yung right side. Saan yun? Naiihina ako. Okay, thank you. Sabog na yung pantog ko. Push. Ihi muna ako. Paok nga muna ang ticket crystal. Ako ba ako niyan? Ito. American. Sila yun. Sila yun. Asul na asul. Maganda yung panahon ngayon. Maganda yung sikat ng araw. Nag-show na yata. Doon tayo. Sayang din sila sa Wawa. Ala naman pala lakad eh. Ito kami sa Ocean Adventure. Mamaya kami mag-check-in. Tapos dito. Pwede naman siguro mag-late check-in eh. Mas maaga sana. Tara no?
And sensitive nature.
Akit tayo.
We love their smile. Join us as we celebrate our dolphin friends.
All right, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. All right, we also have a male bottlenose dolphin. Everyone, meet Enzo. And dolphins are very friendly animals, and right now they would like to greet all of you with a nice big hello. All right, so come on, everyone, wait back, say hi. All right, now whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish, are they?
Mammals.
No, they're not, right? They are mammals. That's right, just like you and me. But how can we tell? Well, first let's take a look at their tails. Right, so a fish moves its tail side to side, right? Guys, can you show us how they do it? There you go, you see that tail's going side to side. But it's really different for dolphins. See, their tail flukes, it powers them through the water when they move up and down. Not side to side like a fish. Alright, so guys, can you show us how your tails really work?
Ayos ah. Angas.
There you go, you see that? It goes up and down and not side to side. Now, we all know that dolphins breathe air, but how do they do it? How do they breathe? You know how? That's right, they use the blowhole on top of their heads. So everyone, those two fins right there. Alright. Now, let's have our dolphins put those fins into action with some of their natural behavior in the air, just like that. Wow. All right, how about this one? What if they want to scratch their itchy skin? And they have no hands, right? They do this behavior called the breach. So that's when that's correct. Now, the reason I brought that up is because dolphins can also do that. They can walk on water. And also the other way around. Look at that. Okay, so everybody, how about a round of applause for our dolphin friends? All right, check this out. All right, that's amazing. Hey, that's some good dance. Y'all ready for this? A great time only here at Ocean Adventure.
Splash with the waves of the sea, and let's dance with the magical creatures with the tide and explore this wonderful ocean.
All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, before you.
The magical creatures with the tide and explore this wonderful ocean. Splash
Alala mo yan.
with the waves of the sea, and let's dance with the magical creatures with the tide and explore this wonderful ocean.
Mainit. Kainan ba rito? Meron pa sila yun. Mamaya. 4:15. Late na tayo.
You want to take it home and throw it into the bed.